Hello friends. Now we are going to discuss about all the SAP HR reports that are available standard. So this is one standard SAP HR report. Let's go into the PowerPoint. Okay. And here you can see all the HR reports you can think of. Okay. So let's see. Okay, so here you have SAP existing org unit. So it's you might say, oh, these numbers are, but it's the way it is. So you just need to copy it from here. Okay, and we'll see most of the HR org structures. Okay, so here you can see. So if I go and execute, it will tell me all the org structures here associated with it. Now there might be some hidden fields. You can add all these hidden fields out. Okay, so you click here and you bring it here, and here you can see it's all there. So the one that we created was something related with IT. What was it? This one is ours, if you see. So let me see whether it works. If we double click on it, uh, doesn't do anything. So it's just a simple thing, and you can download it in Excel and all those things you have. So now here you can see today. So if you see execute, and we'll see that whatever is active today. Okay, so if you see these are active today. Now if you want to put a date duration, you can say, if you click on the past. Yeah, so let's see in the past. The past one all will also show our stuff because we had a date of the past. Okay, so these are important stuff that you want to use. So now if we click standard selection screen, it will give you some more options like the search terms. So search term was, I don't know, we put search term as Argadeep, my name, I don't know. Yeah, so that was the search term and it found it. So this is pretty nice, pretty slick, and you can use it. So the next one that we are going to use is on the other front. Okay, so here we can see we can put 27. Okay, and we can see execute staff function for org unit. Okay, so here we can just execute, and here you can see number of staff position. If I double click on it, it takes me to these things. So these are different staff position. So if we put key on, it will give me the probably the number of the org unit. So instead, and if you put text on, it will give this. So this is another transaction code that we can use. Okay, now let's go to the PowerPoint. 2728289230. So these are the ones that we are going to check. 28 now. Okay, now let's go back, hit the back button, and we'll put 28. Okay, let's see what's that. So this is the organizational structure. So you execute, and you see execute for all objects. It shows me all the org structure. So if you see, uh, so this is a nice one because it has the hierarchical org structure, and we'll go down and we'll see our org structure that we created. Okay, and here you can see all this stuff. Okay, now yes, so it's pretty slick, this one. So this was the transaction code was 28. Now let's go to the transaction code, which is 29. Organ structure with position. So we had some stuff with positions that we created. So we'll just execute. So these are very important transactions because not always you'll get PPOAC, PPO, ME, PPOC transaction. You'll get this transaction code. So if you go here, you can see all the positions that was assigned to this org structure. These are very nice stuff. So if you can find all the positions that are assigned. Okay, so this is pretty slick. Now let's see what more we have, stuffs that we can add in the layout. No, it's already added. I remember we did something on the percentage stuff on one of these. I don't remember which one. Just want to see whether there's the percentage, but we did the percentage on the position level, not on the employee level. So that's fine. So next one, the next transaction code that we are going to use is 30. Okay. So here, if you see, 30 is organization structure with persons. So we had some organization structure. The one organization structure that we created had persons, so we can see. So these are already created in the system. So if we check this one, and if we scroll down, you see these are positions, and we had persons assigned. So this is another one. Let's see the next one. The transaction code is 31. Don't ask me about the naming convention. That's the way it is. The work center. Let's see the work centers. You have something. So work center is something that is very simple. Think like it's a group of people that does the same type of work. So it can be an AP department, it can be the HR department who takes care of your updates or some things, the validations, the payroll department. So those can be positioned, or an organ unit can be assigned to a work center. So this is the term for work center. Now the next one would be 3250. Let's see. We didn't have any other one. 623132. This one is existing jobs. So it tells us what are the jobs that are created. Okay. So if you see, this is the job that was for, so all the jobs comes. Then let's go and we'll see the other transaction code 33. We are on a roll. So here we can see job index. I really don't know on this job index what is this. So let's see. We scroll, we execute, and it's turning. So it's doing something. In the meantime, we just go into another transaction, 34. Okay, and we execute. This is also running. Okay, it's taking slow, so let's close this, and we'll go to this transaction we saw is 3250. So let's see, box center per org unit. So if you execute this, you will find all the work centers that is assigned to our org unit. We haven't tried to do this, but here if you see all the work centers that is assigned to our org unit. So in our case, hmm, it's just the org structure problem that is assigned. Okay. So this is one. This is still moving. So let's go and find some other transaction. So 53 will not go much. We'd like to see this month's. Okay. So 6492. Let's see this one. Or we'll try 6491 also. 91. So existing org unit, what is this? We'll just execute. Good thing we have enough data to play with. So this is existing org unit. It shows the same thing that we saw in one of the transaction code before. Let's see 92. Staff function for org unit. So we execute. I think it's the same one that we saw before. 6493. 64. Oh, see, these numbers and these are the same. Okay. Okay, let's now move into the next page, which is this HR report, employee history report. So that would be fun to see. Okay, so this one is 6129. 610 6129. I don't know why the naming convention is this, but there would be some reason. Uh, then we have 6130, our worker compensation report, new hire report. Those are important ones. So let's see, employee history. So we just execute, okay, and this might take some time because I'm running for everything. Probably should have given the employee ID, but that's good. See here it comes. So the employee history report. Um, so this is the employee history. Uh, so you have the salary. These are all payroll is not running here, so you have this. So these are the history of the employee. Stafford in. Okay. So this is the employee history report. It's useful. Um, hmm, Now here we can search for the other one. 61. No, we'll see new hire report 6150. So 6150. We check and it's running. In the meantime, we will see some other ones. Info type reporting 6267. So this is the one we'll be checking. So let's see 6267. So first we see what is this new hire report? Magnetic media paper. Ooh, it's like an old report coming from the graveyard or something. So let's see magnetic media. Oh, it's something useful for someone. Let's see. We'll just go and probably we'll put the personal number. We have the personal number here. Let's see. Works or not. Doesn't work. So this we don't have much data. Let's go to 6267. 6267 is the report. I want to check 6267. Now once we check this report, we'll execute. Info type is not supported at present. Probably this one. Up, all. Sweet. Okay. We'll put mm, person. We'll put the person. Let's see. Here is the person. 9200004. Okay, so evaluation and footage. It's not showing. It's not showing nothing. It's probably this is not working. Look promising. And the next one is travel expense report. We don't have travel expense. There's another one 6394 info type reporting. Let's read 6394 probably. That works. So these are some stuff that I don't understand why SAP doesn't make it more generic. It's easier. Um, well, probably that part they can improve rather than putting numbers into transaction code. They can put some other stuff. So this one is also not working. Mm, Acknowledging report for third party Canada payroll. So there's some other stuff. So we can search here some other reports. So how to find some reports? We can go. Let's see. NPA 20. Okay, so here we have PA 20. We go here, or we can go from the let's see 16. Okay, I'll show you a trick how to find reports. DSTCD, and here mm, you say HR and you execute. Now here you get a lot of other stuffs. So it can be HR stuff, I don't know. So let's see, HR namespace, HR EPM. Let's do one thing. Change. Press the wrong button. I put EN. Okay, and I execute now. And now here, see some stuff. And let it suppose info. So here, oh, ooh, some nice stuff. So here, this is one related with workflow where you can, let's go there. Good thing we found this SWEHR1 where you can trigger workflow based on info type tags. So, okay, so here you can see work center, you can see job and all those things, and here you can define the different info types. Okay, so here if we see, let's go. You can see info type 1. This is the business object, and if I go, and this is the thing. Here you can define uh, all those workflow things that you want to trigger. Okay, so this is very useful. Okay, what is this name it line? Let's see if I do copy. Oh yeah. So here you can mention the info types. Okay. Let's see. So these are all the standard business objects that is there. So let's now go SWHR1. So let's see. We'll do some org structure. ORG, nothing org. Yeah. Transfer, activate HR organization. No, you don't want to see that. Reporting, HR 00. We can see a bunch of reports here. HR 00. Okay, let's try that. HR 00. Okay, C43 instead. Ooh, this is an old transaction. No wonder. So here is a read reports organization structure. So what we can do is now we scroll back and we will say org structure. Let's see. So nope, not this one. Org structure. Let's see. Manager. Uh, So not this ones. So here we can do slash star HR star. This will give a bunch of other stuff, but hey, we're searching, we're learning important stuff. So here we have all the HR stuff you can think of. Oof. And here we can do, there's some stuffs which doesn't have text, so I will not even look at it. So I'll see not equal to. So these are shift reports. Okay, so scroll to the end. So let's scroll down. These are different country stuff. Okay, so SAP query. Let's see. This would be something. Ad hoc query. Payroll monthly report. Let's see. So here we copy this default and we go here. We paste it. Now I copied from there by putting Control Y in my keyboard, and then I copy it, and then you drag it. Okay, so here, ooh, this is nice. HR Personal Administration. Oops, this is nice. So info set query, you put the personal number, and you put suppose 224. Let output. Uh, Reporting periods today. Okay, now output. Still no fields selected. How this works? Oh, output here. Ooh, I didn't know that. Ooh, see, you see all this personal number. So these are all the personal numbers. So now here, suppose I want to see org assignment. Org assignment. I want to see position. I want to see the output. Ooh. So here you can do all this ad hoc query based on this. This is pretty nice. I like it. Okay, so this is very important. You can use all these queries, and this is pretty useful. So the transaction code was S underscore AHR 6109036. Okay, let's try the next one. We are finding some nice stuff. Let's see the query. This one, Control Y I did, and I then drag it. Then I do Control C. That's how you copy it. Now I press this. This is all the queries that is created. Oh, this is ad hoc queries. So you can see the bank details, and if I click execute here, and I just run it, bank details, and I can see all the bank details of person, I think, of multiple persons. So it's running. So this is pretty nice. The the queries here. So this one SAP query 9053. You will see some other ones. So text testing, rent receipt update. Oops, these are stuff. So many. BD graphics interface. We'll see some other stuffs also. In the meantime, it's oh, this is taking some time. Okay, let's find some other stuff. Existing task, existing object, info type reporting. Let's see. This one we tried. I think we tried and it doesn't work, right? Let's see. 6532 was there, tried. No. Let's see. Yep, same problem. This one. So PD graphics interface. Let's go up the chain, and existing job 6493. Now to see some reporting relationship. Reporting. Teaching hours. Reporting structures with person. Reporting structure with persons, without persons. This one 6512. Let's check this one. Did we try this one? 6512. We can see the other stuff showed up. 6512. We never checked it, so that's brand new. So let's see the 6512. We execute. We don't have much data, but you shouldn't be doing it in other systems. So this is the reporting structure without. This is without person. So these people don't have a person associated with it. Okay, so that's the it's showing this like orphaned. Okay, now there was another one, 6512 and 6513 with person. So these people have all have users assigned to it. It's not orphaned, if you see. So these have all these are the ones. So the all the with person show the ones that are not assigned also. Oh, that's nice. So I will always use the other one. This one. So it's this 16513. It's pretty nice. And let's see what you can do here more. Can we assign stuff or it's just a. So if we do this, position the cursor. I don't want to position any cursor. So here you can see all the stuff that has a user assigned. Okay, so that's very important. Now let's see. I'll just do this. Oof, that's a lot. Movement analysis report, travel expense report. We don't have the travel expense switched on, so I'm not showing reporting structure with persons. Okay, we saw all these things. This is nice. And I think in the meantime, the banking portion also came up. So here you can see all the personal numbers, the banking and other stuffs. So this is the bank details. This is nice. This is pretty useful. Now here we can see the birthday list. Okay, so that's a nice thing. Okay, ooh, car search. Ooh, that would be fun. Who is having which cars? So difference between query and info. Birthday list. So we'll just see the birthday list of people. And these are all the birthday, living date of birth. Ooh, there's a bunch of people in 1929. Ooh, that was a long time ago. Okay, so he's now 91-year old. Ooh, that's fun. Lots of times you send a birthday card and all those things. You can automate. I have built programs to automate that from SAP. Something that's nice. And then you can see education family members is something that you want to see. Okay, so we'll just click on execute, and here we'll just execute, and we can see the family members. Okay, name of person, family relationship, first name, last name. Do we have other fields here? Hidden? No. Yes. No, there's no hidden field. So this is pretty useful. All this reporting that is there. Let's see. There's another reporting which we can think of. So you have head counts. Oh, this one is nice. Head counts per org unit. Okay, we'll just execute this and we'll see. Let's see. So that's good. So head counts per org unit. So you have one. This is nice. Uh, then let's see the other one that is there. It's the nationality. Okay, so we'll see execute, and here you see Dutch one. You have a lot of Americans here. Okay, so these are very useful reports that you can always use in order to check the different stats like the bank data, like who is born when, and the org assignment based on employees and other stuffs. Those are important stuffs that you will be using every day, and these are out of the box standard reports that SAP has given, that you can use easily and effectively. So this should be, you should be keeping this in your fingertips. Okay, now let's see the other report, this one for payroll. Okay, so let's go on the payroll side. So let's see this one, whether we will have something. Oh yeah, payroll monthly report, but I don't know whether we have data for this. So we don't have data, but you can see this transaction code. It's the payroll monthly report. Okay, so it's pretty nice. And here again, you can see human resource. We check. This is the old system, managers desktop. We used to have this, but I don't know why they have kept it still. You see, you have the workflow inbox, you have recruitment, your compensation. You had always these things. Okay, so if you go here, you can see all the workflows and all those things. This was old, but I think old is gold. From there everything started, so this is very important. Okay, now let's go back to that initial screen. We can see some of the stuffs that we probably have missed, and we will see. So HR master data, we covered this PA30, PA20, PA10, fast entry. Let's see the fast entry. What is this? Fast entry actions. So this is probably you. So here you can enter with proposal. You can copy paste something from an existing personal number. That's nice. So here fast entry actions. Then you have the info systems. So these, I think we were seeing this. Let's see the ad hoc queries. Oh, this is the one that we were checking before. This is pretty nice. Now we'll see the reports. Oh, there's a bunch of reports. Whoop. So here you can see all the reports, data, severely challenged, list of maternity data. Oh, this is good. So you can see all the mothers who have left the office for creating the future of this world. Um, so you can get all those data, employee list. That's, I think, the same thing that we were showing. Okay, so this is pretty nice. So if we go back, and then you have administration review. Ooh, yeah, they have stuff that's different. So that's why SAP has created their own little space. And then you have organization entity. Let's click on this, and you can see headcount changes and all those things, age, gender, and other stuffs. Then the documents is something, reporting start, logout report, info type, logs. So this is something. So all these are useful stuff depending on the country you're working with. So personal development, this is something related with where you want to enter your plan for the future, appraisal, planning, and all those things. Then you have time management, training and event, organization management. This one I want to cover a little. If we miss, because this is very important. If you see it, all these things we have discussed. General structure, what is this? Let's see. So what is this? Position, general structure. Okay, create a structure. Okay, this is the probably the org structure, PPSM. And what is this? Matrix. Okay, so let's see the matrix. So we are going to hit matrix, and we'll see what is there. Probably there's nothing. Not Twitter. So you have to select. You have to maintain this. These are stuffs that SAP has, and you can use it. It's up to you whether you want to use. Then you have org unit, you have job and other stuff. So I want to go to the tools portion. Okay, so you have all the info types. So let's see the objects, display info types. Let's see this one. I don't have authorization, so this is another one. So here you have settings, PPOM, set maintenance, current setting, set plan description. So this is related with working. So these are all very important stuffs that you can use. This personal management. Let's go to recruitment, time management, organization management. The organization unit, staff function. Let's see this. I think we discussed all this. So this is so we did this thing periods. This one's let's see. Let's execute this one. Oh, this is nice. Where it shows periods when positions are unoccupied per org unit. So this tells whether you really need a position kept or you can dissolve that position. Because if you had gone through that position without for more than 200 days, you probably don't need it. So then you can see the vacant positions, the obsolete positions, and all those things. These are very nice stuff. So if you see, probably there will be lots of vacant positions. Yeah. So these are things that you can run ad hoc. SAP standard has already given it out of the box, which is ready to be used. And then the reporting structure. So I think we have discussed this portion. Let's go to the other one, travel management. You have reporting tool. Let's see the reporting tool. I think this we have done. This is the query we went, right? See, add a query, executing. So let's see. And so this, let's go to the other portion. This is the place where it tells the nationality. And let's see, is it the same transaction code? So this is the way you know which transaction code you are in. So that was SQ01. This is taking forever. So let's stop this now. Uh, so this one. So if you go here, probably from here, I know. System status, and this is also a ad hoc query. Yep. So I think this covers, and this is another one. Let's try this one. PPIS, HIS, and access object standard view. We'll see execute. Mhm. Let's see. See, we'll execute. Try to find your organ. Hours organ it. Oh, it's in the second. Hmm. See, it's trying to do something. So it's transferring tools. I don't know what is going. Oh, it's creating the org structure. Oh, that's nice. So you can see the defaults. You can click on administration. Yeah, you can click birthdays. Oh, this is nice. This is slick. I like it. So this is how you can see, and if you click on the view options, you can get the feather ones. Okay, feathered. It's more this way. I like it. And this you don't need to create flowcharts and all those things. So that covers everything on the SAP HR standard reports that you can see, and you have a bunch that you can use. Okay, so that covers everything on the SAP HR standard.